What's up, guys? This is Nate with Napleton Mid-Rivers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat, and this is the 2022 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. So if you notice on the side, you have the orange badging indicative of the Mojave. They are desert rated, 4x4, naturally has a lift on it being a Gladiator. And then if you look, it does have the Fox shocks as well. You got the orange hooks on the front. Now every Jeep grill has 7 slots. They were the first manufacturer being all 7 continents on the globe. Easter eggs, you're going to notice some Easter eggs. So you got the Jeep logo sitting in the headlights, 3.6 engine. Now if you look at the hood itself, it does have a scoop on it, very heavy as well, hydro blue. Now being the Jeep, you can still take all 4 doors off, the top off. It's a Freedom 3-piece hardtop. And on the inside, you do have the Mojave badging on the inside and the orange stitching as well. This is your bar when it gets crazy to hold on to. Got grab handles on every entry to get into it, and then you got the running boards as well. The back seats, you do have a little storage underneath the seats as well. Right there, you got a little storage for your bag. USB ports in the back, vents in the back. You got your sound bar right up there. And then you do have your bed with the LED lighting, all-weather mats. Then that orange badging continues on the back side as well. You got the tow hook right up there, 7 4-pin wiring, and it is a soft open as well. That bag right back there, that's how you keep your top in there. And then in the very side here, you're gonna have the blacked out wheels, dual Fox shots in the back, and then more orange stitching. Leather wrap steering wheel, heated seats. You do have the heated steering wheel, leather wrapped everything, shifter, e-brake, and then you do have the 8.4-inch screen. And then being a Jeep, you do have the ducts right there as well. So if you guys have any questions, reach out. The number here is 636-928-8000, extension 22202. Ask for Nate.
Napleton, second to none since 1931.